Welcome to the Mind Flowic. Let's start today's session. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position with your back straight and your feet firmly planted on the ground. Take a few moments to settle into your seat and release any thoughts or worries from your mind. Place your hands on your knees or in your lap and close your eyes. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose, feeling the cool air entering your nostrils and flowing down into your lungs. Hold your breath for a moment at the top of the inhale and then exhale slowly through your mouth, feeling the warm air leaving your body. Focus your attention on your breath as you continue to inhale and exhale at your own pace. As you inhale, count to 4, then hold your breath for a count of 4. Exhale slowly while counting to 8. Repeat this pattern for a few breaths, feeling the cool air entering through your nostrils and the warm air leaving through your mouth. As you continue to focus on your breath, you may notice your mind beginning to wander. This is completely natural and normal. When you notice your mind wandering, acknowledge the thought or distraction and gently bring your attention back to your breath and the counting pattern. With each inhale, imagine that you are drawing in a sense of calmness and stability. As you exhale, visualize any stress and anxiety being released from your body. Allow each breath to bring you deeper into a sense of relaxation and peace. Now, begin to expand your breath. Inhale deeply for a count of 6, then hold your breath for a count of 4. Exhale slowly while counting to 10. Repeat this pattern for a few breaths, feeling the cool air entering through your nostrils and the warm air leaving through your mouth. Continue to expand your breath with each inhale, feeling your lungs fill up completely with air and exhaling slowly and fully. Allow each breath to bring you deeper into a state of calmness and relaxation. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes and take a few moments to come back to your surroundings. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Notice how you are feeling and allow this sense of calmness and stability to stay with you throughout your day. Remember that you can return to this breath control practice at any time, whenever you need a moment of stillness.